Hey guys, we're live. 8:38. 15 spots here. We're battling for Bees, Endor Buddies lot. Lay a Punch and Wicket, Tebow. 15 spots that I'm going to copy and paste here in random. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 9. We're good to go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Matt, round 1. Jared, 2. Michael, 3. Juan, 4. Spencer, 5. Michael, 6. Juan, 7. Troy in the top spot for our next to last round, and our winner is Jared McCauley in at number 13. Congratulations, Jared. Here's the verification code to official results. BUROAM. Jared McCauley in at number 13. I'm done. I can find the bottom of that list at 8:39. There it is. There it is. Again, here's the official results and our winner. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.